The car sales market is one of the most promising business opportunities today, with a constant demand for new and used vehicles. This sector offers not only consistent profits, but also numerous open doors for those who want to grow, stand out, and achieve financial success. If you are looking for a business that offers flexibility, high profitability, and a vast field for expansion, selling cars is, without a doubt, an opportunity that you cannot miss. The first major advantage of selling cars is the high profitability that this sector offers. The average price of cars is considerably higher than that of many other consumer products, which means that the profit margin can be substantial. When you know where to look for the best buying opportunities, such as pre-owned or auctioned vehicles, you can resell them for a much higher price, taking advantage of the difference between the price paid and the sale price. In addition, since the buying and selling cycle of cars occurs quite frequently, you have the chance to make quick and constant sales. With a good turnover and the ability to identify the best opportunities, your profits can be extraordinary and regular. Another essential factor to consider is the growth potential of this market. The automotive sector is resilient, remaining stable even in times of economic uncertainty. The increase in population, the growth of cities, and the expansion of road infrastructure generate a constant demand for vehicles. In addition, easy financing and affordable credit conditions mean that more and more people are able to purchase a car. This means that you, as a seller, will always have a market with potential customers who are looking for the right vehicle for their needs. The car market is not only vast, but it is also expanding rapidly, which means that you have fertile ground at your disposal to grow and increase your profit share. The flexibility of the business is also one of the greatest advantages of becoming a car salesman. By choosing this field, you have the power to manage your time, your strategies, and even the vehicles you decide to sell. This autonomy allows you to choose between working as a car dealer in a physical store or even operating online, offering vehicles of different categories and models. Flexibility also extends to working hours, allowing you to manage your business in a way that best fits your routine. By taking control of your work, you can grow with more freedom and achieve your personal and professional goals. Furthermore, diversifying your vehicle portfolio is an advantage that increases your sales opportunities. As a car salesperson, you can work with a variety of models, from entry-level cars to luxury models, from popular brands to more exclusive cars such as electric cars. This diversity of options attracts a much wider range of customers, allowing you to meet different profiles and needs. Specializing in specific niches, such as sports cars, hybrids, or family vehicles, can be an excellent strategy to stand out in the market, offering a unique experience to each customer and creating a loyal customer base. Another key point for success in the car sales market is a digital presence. The world is increasingly online, and the automotive market is no different. Car salespeople who adapt to technology and use digital tools have at their disposal a powerful way to reach new customers. Sales platforms, specialized websites, and social networks allow you to expose your vehicles to a much wider audience, going beyond your region. This increases your chances of finding buyers, speeds up the negotiation process, and provides a reach that would be unthinkable with a traditional physical store. The use of digital tools also makes the buying process more transparent and dynamic, allowing customers to view cars in detail, watch videos, and even negotiate remotely. Another incredible benefit of selling cars is the relationship with customers. The automotive market is not just about quick transactions, but about building a network of trust with your consumers. Buying a car is, for many people, a significant decision and often a long-term investment. Therefore, buyers look for sellers who offer not only good negotiation conditions, but also accurate information and personalized service. By creating a solid bond and trusting in your knowledge and honesty, you can not only secure the sale, but also build customer loyalty, who may return in the future, or even recommend your business to friends and family. Building this trust is essential to creating a loyal customer base and ensuring that your sales multiply over time. In addition, the initial cost of entering the car sales business is relatively low, especially if you choose to resell used cars or vehicles acquired through auctions. This initial investment can be adjusted according to your purchasing power, and you can start small, selling a few vehicles, and over time, expanding your portfolio. The car market also offers flexible alternatives, such as acting as an intermediary between buyers and sellers, which can mean less financial risk for those just starting out, but still generating considerable profits. We cannot forget the personal satisfaction that selling cars can provide. By helping someone find the perfect vehicle for their needs, you are not only closing a sale, but also making a positive impact on the customer's life. The feeling of contributing to the realization of a dream or a life project, whether it is a new car for the family or a vehicle for work, is rewarding. This feeling of making a difference is one of the biggest motivations for those who decide to dedicate themselves to the car sales industry. In short, selling cars is an incredibly lucrative opportunity full of advantages. With constant demand, the possibility of high profits, flexibility of operation, diversity of models, and a strong digital presence, the automotive market offers fertile ground for growth. Furthermore, by building a loyal customer base and providing excellent service, you not only ensure the success of your sales, but also your professional fulfillment. If you are looking for a career with great potential for growth, stability, and personal satisfaction, the car sales market is the key to achieving your goals. Don't miss this opportunity to transform your life and achieve the success you've always dreamed of. Step-by-step guide to starting a car sales. Business practical. Tips on management and profitability. Starting a business in the car sales sector can be one of the smartest decisions for those seeking financial stability, high profit potential, and the possibility of continuous growth. This market, in addition to being highly dynamic, offers several opportunities for those who want to undertake, both in the new and used vehicle sectors. If you are interested in opening a car dealership or starting as an independent salesperson, this practical and straightforward guide will teach you how to take the first steps and manage your operation efficiently, always focusing on profitability. Step 1. Define the type of business and sales model. Before anything else, it is essential to define what the focus of your business will be. The automotive market is broad, and there are several ways to enter it. The type of approach you choose will have a direct impact on management, marketing strategies, and, of course, financial results. There are basically 3 operating models. New car resale. If you choose to resell new cars, you will need to establish partnerships with manufacturers or dealerships. This model requires a larger initial investment, as well as in-depth knowledge of the automotive market. However, it can generate consistent profits, especially in a region with a high sales rate. Reselling used pre-owned. Cars selling. Used cars can be an excellent option for those who are just starting out and want to minimize their initial investment. With good negotiation, you can acquire quality vehicles at affordable prices and resell them with interesting profit margins. This model requires more attention to the selection of cars, since the quality of the stock will be essential to ensure customer satisfaction. Business intermediation. You can also choose to act as an intermediary between buyers and sellers, facilitating the negotiation of cars without having to keep them in stock. This model requires less initial capital and offers flexibility, but the profit margins per transaction are lower. Step 2. Market research and choosing a location. Now that you have decided which business model you will follow, it is time to study the local market. Choosing a location is one of the most important factors for the success of your business. This is because selling cars directly depends on having access to a target audience interested in purchasing vehicles, whether for personal or professional needs. If you are going to resell physical cars, it is essential to choose a point of sale that is visible and easily accessible to your target audience. Ideally, the location should be in a busy area, such as main avenues or areas with high car traffic, such as neighborhoods near shopping centers, malls, or residential areas. If the investment in a physical location is high, you can start with an online sales platform, but at the same time, look for a way to have a physical point of contact, such as a showroom, to gain credibility, in addition to a detailed market study. This includes analyzing the profile of consumers in your region, age range, income, car model preferences, etc. The behavior of the competition and market trends. This will help you understand which car models sell best, and whether you should focus on more affordable vehicles or luxury models, for example. Step 3. Obtain licenses and legalizations. Selling cars requires some legal licenses and regularizations, so it is important that you do everything in accordance with the legislation of your country and region. In Brazil, for example, registering a vehicle dealership requires a national registry of legal entities, CNPJ, state and municipal registration, and specific licenses for car resale. The process may vary depending on your city or state, so seek information from the commercial board or the responsible agency. It is also essential to ensure that the vehicles sold have regularized documentation and meet the safety and quality standards required by the responsible agencies. This care with the regularity of the cars not only avoids legal problems, but also guarantees customer trust. Step 4. Select and manage your car inventory. Your car inventory will be one of the pillars of your business. Choosing the right vehicles to sell can determine the success of your operation. The tip here is to carefully curate your inventory. When buying cars, look for good deals and quality vehicles. The profit margin on pre-owned cars is usually more attractive, but you need to have a good eye for identifying well-maintained cars with good documentation and that meet the needs of your future customers. Here are some tips for managing your inventory efficiently. Diversify the models. Have a variety of cars, from cheaper models to luxury cars, if your target audience allows it. This attracts different types of customers, increasing the chances of sales. Pay attention to the condition of the vehicles. Make sure the cars are in good condition, with up-to-date maintenance. If necessary, invest in small repairs or replacement of parts to ensure that the vehicles can be safely resold. Price negotiation. When purchasing cars, try to negotiate the best prices. This will result in better profit margins for the dealership, increasing its profitability. Step 5. Establish a pricing and offering strategy. Price is one of the main factors that influence the purchasing decision. Therefore, when setting the value of cars, consider not only the purchase price, but also additional costs, such as taxes, documentation fees, maintenance, and other operating costs. Make sure that your profit margins are viable, but also that prices are competitive in the market. A good pricing strategy also includes promotions and special offers to attract customers. Offering a limited time discount or interest-free installments can be an important attraction for those who are buying a car. In addition, always try to highlight the differentials of your inventory, such as the good condition of the vehicles, their origin, and the warranty offered. Step 6. Marketing and advertising. Without customers, there are no sales. Therefore, marketing and advertising your business are essential to its success. Nowadays, most people start their search for a car online, so having a good digital presence is essential. Invest in a well-structured website where you can advertise available vehicles with photos and detailed descriptions. Online vehicle sales platforms are also an excellent way to reach a larger audience. In addition, a presence on social networks, such as Facebook and Instagram, can greatly increase the visibility of your business. Social networks are great for creating a direct relationship with customers and for advertising offers and news. Posts with photos of cars in good condition, test drive videos and testimonials from satisfied customers can generate a lot of engagement and attract new buyers. Step 7. Customer service and after sales. Good customer service is essential for long-term success. In the car market, it is essential to understand the buyer's needs, offer personalized service, and be transparent at all stages of the negotiation. In addition, credibility is an important asset. Keep your commitment to selling quality cars with regular documents and in good condition. After-sales service also plays an important role. After the sale, contact your customers to ensure they are satisfied with the car and the service. This can generate loyalty and, most importantly, referrals for new sales. Step 8. Financial control and administration. Now, to ensure profitability, it is essential to manage your cash flow well. Financial control must be carried out rigorously. With the categorization of all costs involved in the purchase, maintenance, and sale of cars, use spreadsheets or management systems to track cash inflows and outflows, which helps identify the best time to make new investments in stock and also adjust the prices of offers. Adopt a pricing strategy that combines market analysis and cost control. Always try to maintain a balance between offering good conditions to the customer and ensuring that the profit margin is sufficient to cover costs and generate profit. Starting a car sales business can be a big challenge, but it is also one of the most profitable and promising opportunities in the sales industry. By following these practical steps, from defining the business model to inventory management, marketing, and customer service, you will be ready to not only start, but also to expand and achieve success in this market. The key to profitability is knowing how to manage resources well, offering good products and services, and always maintaining a close and transparent relationship with your customers. So, did you enjoy learning more about how to start in the car sales market and take advantage of all the opportunities in this sector? If so, then you will love the next video. In it, we will explore the advantages of the real estate brokerage market, a field that is also super profitable and has many possibilities for growth. If you are looking for another way to expand your business or are interested in understanding how this market can be an excellent opportunity, don't miss it. Click on the video and find out everything about how to be a successful real estate agent. See you there.